Hello everyone, welcome to Roam Tech.
Today we will be discussing how to sort your channels alphabetically on YouTube TV. Are you tired of scrolling through a seemingly endless list of channels trying to find the one you want? Alphabetical sorting can make your life a whole lot easier. Before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you're new here, subscribe to Roam Tech for more tech tips, tricks, and tutorials. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to reorder your YouTube TV channels alphabetically on various devices. We'll cover the process on your TV, as well as on your mobile device. Unfortunately, there isn't a true one-click alphabetical sort feature, but this workaround gets you pretty close.
So let's get started. Astérisque astérisque, section 1, sorting on your TV. Astérisque astérisque.
Okay, let's start with how to sort your channels alphabetically on your TV using the YouTube TV app. 1. Open YouTube TV *, launch the YouTube TV app on your smart TV or streaming device. 2. Go to Live *, navigate to the Live tab. It's usually located at the top or on the side menu. 3. Edit Live Guide *, look for the Edit option in the Live Guide. It might be represented by a pencil icon or a menu option. Click on it. 4. Custom order, and the sort hack. Here's the trick. YouTube TV doesn't have a direct alphabetical sort. Instead, you have to manually reorder channels. But, to effectively simulate an alphabetical order, start by looking at the first few channels. Find the channel that should be at the top alphabetically, likely starting with a number or the letter A. Select that channel and move it to the very top of the list.
5.
Continue alphabetizing * now. Go through your channels one by one and move them into the correct alphabetical position. This will take a few minutes, especially if you have a lot of channels. 6. Save your changes *. Once you've finished reordering your channels, make sure to save your changes. There should be a Done or Save button at the bottom of the screen. Click it. And that's it. Your channels on your TV should now be in a mostly alphabetical order. Section 2. Sorting on your mobile device. Now, let's look at how to do this on your mobile device, like your phone or tablet. The process is very similar. 1. Open YouTube TV *. Open the YouTube TV app on your mobile device. 2. Go to Live *. Tap on the Live tab at the bottom of the screen. 3. Edit Live Guide *. Find the Edit option, usually represented by a pencil icon or a menu button in the upper right-hand corner. Tap on it. 4. Custom order, and the sort hack. Just like on the TV, there's no direct alphabetical sort. You'll need to manually reorder. Scan your channels. Find the channel that needs to be at the very top alphabetically and drag it into position. 5. Continue alphabetizing * one by one. Drag each channel into its correct alphabetical position. This can be a bit tedious, but it's worth it for a more organized guide. 6. Save your changes * once you're done. Tap on Done or the checkmark icon to save your changes. Your channel list on your mobile device should now be arranged alphabetically.
Astérisque astérisque, conclusion. Astérisque astérisque.
And there you have it. While YouTube TV doesn't have a built-in alphabetical sort feature, this manual workaround allows you to get pretty close. Hopefully, this has made navigating your channels on YouTube TV much easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Roam Tech for more useful tech tips and tutorials. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or other YouTube TV tips. See you in the next video.